Welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today it's time for a beautiful whitefish. That whitefish you can find in many places around the globe. This one is coming from Cornwall. We're talking about hake. We're going to make hake together with some roasted peppers. Okay, the first step is we're going to roast the peppers. We're going to roast them in the oven. I've preheated the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. First I'm going to take out the seeds. So I've got the peppers right here, a good drizzle of olive oil, give it the mix, season them a bit with salt, and then I place them on an oven tray, skin side up. So I'll have them in the oven for around 20 minutes, actually until the skin got caramelized. So step number 2 after we roasted the paprika is making the dressing. So we have already a bit of olive oil right here. We add some extra olive oil, add the capers, handful of chopped parsley leaves, and I would say roughly chop it. Then I'll season it, a bit of salt, some black pepper, and some lemon zest. So maybe the zest of one lemon, and then the juice of half a lemon. Okay, properly roasted peppers. We cool them down, going to deskin them, then we're going up to the next step, mix them with the dressing and pan frying the hake steaks. So as soon as they've been cooled down, we're going to peel the skin, and this really goes easily. So take the skin, one hand, you take the skin off and slice it in 2 pieces and add it to the bowl with the dressing. Beautiful colors. And of course feel free to use any color of paprika. I just made this mix because it will look really nice on the dish. Okay, our seafood hero today, we're going to pan fry hake steaks. Okay, I've got some beautiful hake steaks here. I've floured them both sides. And the good thing is with steaks is, well, the bone is still in, and believe me, your fish tastes better off the bone. Turn them around. So now I season salt and pepper, both sides. So I have my non-sticky frying pan right here. I add a good splash of vegetable oil on medium to high heat to get rid of the excess flour. Okay, now I have them in the pan. 4 nice steaks of hake. Here we go. Okay, so I give it like 3-4 minutes each side. You want to have it like crispy outside, juicy, tender inside the steak. Have a little check. Beautiful. Turn it around. You always can go back again. Okay, a nice platter right here. I'm going to arrange the paprika on the bottom like this. This is the base. Beautiful. The red, the green, the yellow, bit of the capers. Okay, here we go. That's the base. So I've pan fried the steaks like 3-4 minutes each side. And I just lay them on top of the pepper salad. So I scoop a bit of the dressing on top here. Oh wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Use some Malden sea salt. Chop parsley leaves and then slice some lemon with it. 4 pieces of lemon, 4 pieces of hake. I give it a taste, guys. Wow, guys, crispy layer of the fish, juiciness, tenderness inside, then a bit sweet taste of the pepper, the smooth, silky taste of the olive oil. Then we have the acidity of the capers and the lemon, and then the finishing touch of this fresh parsley. It's a stunning, delicious, easy to make dish. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon, guys, on another Fishy Friday.